Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. Funding winter continues for Indian startups. According to a report by Tracxn, Indian startups saw venture capital investments slip during the first quarter of 2024, with a total of $1.6 billion raised until the 15th of March. Despite the slump, the quarter witnessed a silver lining as early-stage funding witnessed an increase of 28%, while late-stage funding saw a huge drop of over 46%. Akhil Vishwanath is here with those details. Akhil?
There were some signs of spring for the Indian startup ecosystem as 2023 came to a close, but 2024 is proving to be tough. Venture capital investments have slipped to $1.6 billion in the first 3 months of this year and undone the surge seen over the last 2 quarters. VC investments had inched up from $1.6 billion in Q2 2023 to $1.9 billion in Q3 2023 and $2.2 billion in Q4 2023. When we look at late-stage-wise trends, late-stage startups continue to suffer with a significant drop in funding of over 46% from $1.6 billion in Q4 2023 to $670 million in Q1 2024. But despite the slump, the quarter witnessed some silver linings. Firstly, early-stage funding witnessed a notable increase of 28%. Secondly, Shadowfax and Credit Saison led the return of a few $100 million rounds. Thirdly, the quarter saw the emergence of 2 new unicorns, Perfios and Ola Krutrim. And lastly, on the sectoral front, fintech and enterprise tech both saw strong investor interest, registering a 50% uptick in funding in the January to March period. On the investor front, venture capitalists, We Found a Circle and Titan Capital led the seed investments in Q1 2024, while Peak 15, Sama Capital and RTP Global were prominent in early-stage investments. Elevate, Epic Capital Advisors and UC Fund took the lead in the late-stage category in the previous quarter. Talking about exit opportunities, 8 tech companies went public, including MediaAssist, WTI, Exicom and LawSeco. However, there were fewer mergers and acquisitions. Overall, there were just 20 acquisitions during the quarter, a 33% decrease from last quarter and a 55% drop compared to 45 acquisitions in Q1 2023. Back to you.
Thank you, Akhil, for